So here's our prop bomb. We've got a lunchbox here. If I take the lid off, we've got some PCB boards there and a film canister. Now what happens is we have this wire running from the film canister all the way down here, round up there to this. Now this is attached to our detonator, which is over here. This is a piezoelectric igniter out of a gas stove. So if you are familiar with that clicking sound when you go to cook your meal, you will know what I'm talking about. But what happens is we have this film canister, and inside are two wires, and when we spark the igniter, these light up. Now in here we're going to put some fuel. We're just going to use an aerosol, cover it up, and then it's going to go bang. So we've got the aerosol and the lid. We squirt a little bit of that in there, cover that back up, put the lid back on, then we take our wire and match it up to our igniter, and then it is set, and we go bang.